The ANC Chief Whip, Mdumiseni Ntuli, calls General Sibiya, Shadrack Sibiya, a liar and an evasive witness. Let us listen to this clip.
I made an observation throughout the answer and questions that the general has a habit of steering off away from a question. And when he does that, more time is wasted and we end up not finishing our questions. The question here, you told us that Mkhwanazi is well funded. My question was, who is funding him for what purpose? Now, you are going off and telling me about how your own reputation is being damaged in the public domain. I mean, quite frankly and honestly, that has nothing to do with my question. We can deal with that issue if you want us to deal with it, but at the moment I'm asking the question. You are saying to us, Mkhwanazi is well funded. Now, Mkhwanazi has said many things here in the Republic and in this committee. If he's well funded and you know, and it may very well be that it's because of his funding that he's saying the things that he has done, we're entitled to know that. Because if you can't explain what you mean by him being well funded, then we'd rather have to agree that that statement really does not hold in terms of facts.
I will for now, Chair, agree that because I'm not in a position to put facts on the table that says it's funded by so and so. All I know is what I heard him saying that he's been given an amount of money or a donation in relation to what they were giving him to supply the children of the. But he said he's going to donate the money to the children that have lost their parents. But I cannot hear right, where guys. I'm sitting saying it's funded by so and so.
The disgraced Shadrack Sibiya was giving testimony in the Parliament's ad hoc committee, which has been established by the National Assembly to investigate the allegations made by the KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner, Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, against some of the police top brass who is accused of working with politicians and criminal syndicates to infiltrate and interfere with the police work. So Sibiya was appearing in front of the ad hoc committee where he was being probed and asked questions. One of the things that appeared about Sibiya is that Sibiya never answers questions the way they've been asked. Okay? He never gives answers to those questions. He's always veering off and talking about irrelevant things. And of course, that's a tactic by someone who's a liar. The fact that he's doing that, it's an indication that there's a man who actually is a liar because he's trying to avoid the questions. So Mdumiseni Ntuli, who is representing the ANC in that committee, by the way, also happens to be the ANC's chief whip, called him to order to say he has picked up that each time Sibiya is being asked a question, he's always veering off. Therefore, he's an evasive witness. Someone like that is called an evasive witness. Someone who's always looking to dodge and avoid the questions. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Tebos Kosana. The name of the platform is Izwi Labansundu, the voice for Africans. Thank you very much, guys.